Sairam and aloha to all your beautiful souls joining us today. We welcome you to the Anahata Bloom workshop on oponopono, the paths to healing and harmony. Today, we will embark on a sacred exploration of the ancient Hawaiian practice of oponopono. But before we delve into the magic of this practice today, let's take a moment to honor its rich history steeped in the traditions of the Hawaiian people who had truly understood the value and transformative power of love and forgiveness. The origins of this practice dates back centuries within the indigenous culture of Hawaii. Breaking down the term ho'oponopono, ho'o means to make and ponopono means right or correct. Thus, the practice is about setting things right, making them correct, or bringing balance and harmony. Originally, Ho'oponopono was used within families or small communities to resolve conflicts, restore harmony, and maintain social order. It was typically facilitated by a respected elder or kahuna who was a priest or a healer who would guide this process. The practice was deeply rooted in the Hawaiian spirituality and their worldview, which emphasized on the profound interconnectedness of all beings, respect for nature, and the importance of healthy relationships with oneself, others, and the environment. Today, in this workshop, we bring you an incredible opportunity to nurture your soul and reconnect with the deepest essence of who you are. Through engaging discussions, experiential exercises, and the rhythmic chanting of powerful mantras, we will dive deep into the heart of this ancient wisdom, uncovering for ourselves its transformative power and its capacity to awaken the dormant potentials within us. Throughout this time together today, we will journey through a carefully curated event flow designed with the intention to deepen your understanding and experience of Ho'oponopono. We will begin by setting our intention for healing through a prayer, and then we will move on to explore the core concepts of Ho'oponopono, which are forgiveness, responsibility, gratitude, and love. And we will delve into the profound power of cleaning. This is the process of releasing and clearing negative thoughts, emotions, and energetic blockages within oneself. It involves taking responsibility for one's own experiences and acknowledging that everything in our reality is a reflection of our inner state. By cleaning ourselves internally, we transform our external reality. Building upon these foundational principles, we will then uncover the essence of the four sacred Ho'oponopono phrases.
Let's now invoke the Devas. We'll begin by invoking Lord Dhanvantri, who is the god of medicine. You can take a nice deep breath and, in your own words, simply invoke this amazing Deva.
धन्वन्तरी देवा आवाहयामि
And now, let's invite the healing Devas. You can, in your own words, in your own way, invite the healing Devas to be present with us during this session today.
So now, we will have a break room activity, and there will be some prompts shared with you on WhatsApp group, and you will be put into different breakout rooms with a bliss buddy. So there'll be two of you in a room, and you will discuss what you would like to heal within you. And these can be multiple aspects that you can choose. And you will work on this over the next 21 days. You will practice the Ho'oponopono prayer each day to heal these aspects that you have chosen. And during the next 21 days, you and your bliss buddy will continue to be a team, reminding and encouraging each other to keep up your practice. So we hope the instructions are clear. We will have 8 minutes, and you will be put in a room with a bliss buddy, and you will discuss what aspects you would like to heal within you, and you can choose multiple aspects. If you have any questions, please do ask, and then we'll break out into different rooms. So we hope you were all able to connect with your bliss buddy and discuss what is it that you would like to work on for the next 21 days. And if someone would like to share what you have discussed, please, this is the time. We would love to hear from you. Does anyone want to share what is it that you have decided to work on, or any sharing that, anything else that you would like to share? Yes, please, Deepti.
Yeah, the thing is, my partner was Jaime, and it was the problems that I was facing, he was also facing the same problems, right? So,
Okay.
we were connected, and but he had to leave halfway because I think we had some problem. But
Okay.
we only did two things. We did forgiveness and gratitude.
Okay.
So we didn't have time for the other two. So I have at least decided forgiveness and gratitude. But
Okay.
what I wanted to share, it was amazing that both of us have the same problems in the same area.
Okay, that's interesting.
Yeah, yeah.
But you can still, so if you have more that you want to work on, you can still work on that. Even if you
Yes.
are not able to discuss, you can continue to still
Yeah.
work on.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you for sharing.
I would just like to highlight one. In this practice, there is a lot of focus on the collective consciousness, as in we are all connected, right? So when you're saying, I'm sorry, you're taking full responsibility of your actions, right? Then you're saying, please forgive me. You're asking for forgiveness, that whatever it is in you that has caused a certain situation to happen. I love you using because love heals. And finally, you're grateful for everything that has come your way, right? You're sealing it with gratitude.